Rom Rom by log. आपको भी जानना है how to fix Zomato app not working. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. पहले तो check करना पड़ेगा आपका internet connection. So ensure that you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data. ये करने के लिए आप अपने Wi-Fi और mobile data के बीच switch भी कर सकते हैं to understand if your Wi-Fi is really the problem. The second thing you want to do is अपना device को restart करना है. You can simply go ahead and restart your mobile device. A simple phone reboot can solve freezing or crashing issues. और finally आपको Play Store और App Store पे जाके अपना update check करने हैं. So simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store and then simply go ahead and search for Zomato. Just like that, and then click on the first application. Either update button होएगा, तो simply go ahead and click on that if you have to update your application. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.